Hello, everybody. I welcome you once again to this online course on web design and development. If you're watching this course, I believe you have paid and you are watching this. This is organized by the National Web ICT Services. My name is Uma Forchinedu. I'm the AMD of the National Web ICT Services. So I welcome you once again. So we're going to be taking some introduction on what you're going to learn, so background knowledge of what you need to know concerning this online course on how to build this website. So with that, we're going to take you through a slide of what you're going to see. Uh, this is offline training we are doing currently running now is for only for a basic package on how to learn how to build a blogging website only and become a blogger, earning over 10,000 naira weekly. And this runs for just 2 weeks. So it's an offline package we are doing for those who are around. So you don't need to worry yourself about this. So this is a little brief of our company. We're based in Enugu and we major mostly on IT services and training, training, training. So I welcome you once again. This is the two kinds of website you're going to be learning. A blogging website, learn how to build a blogging website of any kind. So we're going to be using some professional tools and quality and trending material so that at the end of the training, you can with that material build any kind of website you want. A blogging website, a business website, an online e-commerce website, an online store. So that is what I'm going to be looking at. The focus of this training is that by the end of this training, you're going to learn some things on how to design a website, and you will design yours for your first time, your first one here. The strategy to improve your website skill and productivity, how to decide the features that will make the biggest impact on your website, improve secret that make me design, the proven secret that make me design a high-end website for anything you like. So now there are two kinds of website. There are two kinds of website. One of them is a static website and a dynamic website. A static website is a site without a database that mostly is just based on design, that is mostly written with code, HTML, and CSS. It's just for the design to display a an information of a website of a company without interaction. No user can interact with the website and get a feedback. A database is where we store information, where information of a website is stored, so that when you query a website, it can give you a feedback from the database. So when somebody registers on a website, that information goes to your database, and when you come back to log into your dashboard in that website, it goes and pulls information from the database, and that is where information are stored. So in a static website, mostly they don't have a database. So and the second one is a dynamic website. Dynamic website moves with the database, it's database driven. And the kind of website you're going to be learning is a dynamic website, which that has a database that when a user comes to the website, you can interact with the website, and the information stored of the user can be retrieved back. So you can call on the website and get information back, which is where the information is stored on the database. So these are basically two kinds of website. And next, there are two ways you can build a website. As I said, there are two kinds of website and two ways you can build a website. Is either you go through programming, through writing code and learn how to program, or you can go through another means which I'm going to be showing you now, and it's called a CMS. CMS is content management system. For example of CMS, there are many of them. Content management system is a platform set up to for the purpose of creating and building a website pages. It is user-friendly platform for building website and managing your own web page or your page content instead of using a bunch of code and HTML pages. So with this thing, when you learn how to build with this platform, you can manage your own website. That is content management. You can manage your own content without you going to the source code to write the source code again, to edit and upload again for you to update your website. So with this content management system, you can learn how to build a professional website at the comfort of your house. And the example of one of them you're going to be using is called WordPress. WordPress takes about 55% market share among other CMS. So you can see that among all these examples, content management system, the most friendly and competent often used is called the WordPress. That's what we're going to be learning how to do. So when you see other content management system, the market share they are holding, and you see Joomla, you see WordPress. WordPress have taken about 55% market share. So it's the most popular content management system you're going to be working with in this course. So examples of content management system, you can see WordPress, Joomla, PrestaShop, Drupal, Magneto, Blogspot. So these are content management systems that you can use to build a professional website. And most of the websites you see online are built with this, and they are very easy to do, and it's so professional that anybody can pay you for it. So these are examples of CMS, and the first step is how to choose the best platform, the best website building platform to use. And the one you are using now is a WordPress platform. Uh, WordPress is an open source content management system based on PHP and MySQL to function. I get me. So WordPress has to be installed on a web server, which would either be a part of an internet hosting service or a network hosting. So right now, so this WordPress can be either on a hosting company server, you can use it online or you can use it offline. But because of this online course, we're going to be using this WordPress offline on your laptop. So you don't need to bother about internet connection to do this practical as we are watching us do and you're doing. So this is going to be done offline on the laptop. So what it means that WordPress is an open source system means that it's an open source that many developers are working into it, are building things that are compatible with WordPress. That means you are not limited of any resources you need. So WordPress use about more than 27.5% of the top 10 million websites you see now from February 2007. This is the estimate. Most of the websites you see online are built with WordPress. I get me. So, and it's the key for you to learn how to build a professional website. So, the next thing you're going to learn also is these three components. One of them is plugins, themes, and XAMPP. Uh, why we are introducing XAMPP now, because of this offline course, that means you're going to need internet connection. This XAMPP is this allows you to design and host your website locally without internet on your computer. So this XAMPP you are seeing here is a software you're going to get at, so you have gotten this course, we're going to give it to you to install in your system, and so that you can learn how to build some website offline on your laptop without any internet connection. What the XAMPP does for you is that it helps you to host your website on your system or your laptop, and with that you can also build a database to connect to your website. So this XAMPP helps you to build a database using MySQL on the XAMPP so that you can connect it to your website, which can make it dynamic and work with it. So that is what most developers use to test their work, test the project they have done on their system without them hosting it online. That's what the XAMPP is all about. So the next one is Team. This Team is, it provides all the front end styling of a WordPress site. Most WordPress team provide the overall design of the site and their styling. So this team is about the style of the website, the front end style, where the visitor comes to see of your website. When they visit your website, the style they see, the design they see. That's what the team is all about. As I normally say, that the team is the clothes you wear, the style people see of your clothes, the design of your clothes. Getting me? That is what the team is, or the clothes you wear. Why the plugin is the shoe you wear. Getting me? So how far you can go with the clothes you're wearing is dependent on your shoe you're wearing. So with this team and plugin, that is the most important thing to understand in this online course, is this team and plugin. And we're going to be showing you how to get these teams and plugin. They are the two key you require to build a professional website in WordPress. Teams and plugin. If you can get the resources you need in this team and plugins, you can build any kind of website. So what the plugin is all about is this plugin help you to extend or add new features to your WordPress site. I get me. What it means is that if you want to extend the functionality of your website to do a particular new thing that you want, you need a plugin. What you just need to need a plugin, you get a plugin, download the plugin, and install it on your site. You can now start enjoying that functionality. For example, now, if you want to say, I want to have a registration system on my website that where people will come and click a form, click and they fill a particular form and submit so that I can see it at the back end. That is a plugin. I get me. So if you want to have that functionality on your website, what you just need to go and download a plugin that work that functionality and install it to your system, plug it on your website, and you will see that functionality working on your website. That you just have to do just customize and edit it and implement the functionality. So that is the major things you need about WordPress plugins and themes, plugins and themes. That's the two most important thing about WordPress. If you understand these two aspects of building website, you can build anything you like. So for the team aspect of it, so there are different kinds of team. Most of them are free and most of them are paid. For example, if you are building a website for a hotel, there is a team for a hotel kind of website. And if you are building a website for an airport or a school, there is a team for a school website. So if you are building a website for a church or an NGO, there is a team for those things. So depending on what you want to build, all those things are there online and they are free. I get me. So the teams can be free or can be premium, and you can pay for them. For example, now the first intro video you saw, I showed you about the teams that cost $59, $49, $17. So you can see those things are premium team, and that is what we are using to train you on this website, so that whenever you see any other team that you get anywhere, they are say the same thing. They are, at least you have gotten the most trending ones to work with and train yourself with, that you cannot be confused when you use any other team. So it can be free or premium. So we're going to be showing you to how to get a premium team for free, professional teams, and you can use them to build any professional website you like. And also for plugins, there are free plugins and there are premium plugins, that is paid ones. Most of them are very costly, but I'm also going to be showing you how to get premium plugins, and you can extend the functionality of your website to any length you want. And this is one of the sightings we're going to be showing you, and the secret we're going to be showing you, how to get those resources that you need to build your website, and it will cost you nothing. It will cost you nothing. So you buying this course is a privilege for you. So for example, now if you want to build a website that can cost you, you have estimated the cost and the client is willing to pay like 60,000 naira or 65,000 naira or 80,000 depending on the cost. And also what I'm going to show you, how to bargain with your client, how to price, how to give your pricing of your website. I get me, so that you will not have a problem with your client, that at the end they say that I want another function, but people never bargained about it. So we're going to be showing how to get these themes and plugin, how to get this. For example, if I'm building a website that is costing about 60,000 naira, the resources I'm going to use to build that website is only me paying for the hosting and domain name, and that might not cost me nothing less than 7.5, and also just my internet connection, let's say 8.5. Are getting me? So you can see the whole profit margin you are getting because of you learning this knowledge now you are getting now. So when you learn these things, you have a profit margin that is so big that means where you can build a website in a day and you're making a profit of 60k or 50k in a day. And what you did cannot even take up to like 2 days or 3 days. For now, at my own capacity now, some website doesn't take me more than 2 days. If I, at most, it's highest 5 days or 4 days. So if you learn this now, you can deliver fast and deliver quality. So that's what we are teaching, fast and quality, and that's what clients are looking for. So if you can deliver your job fast and you can deliver quality, they can pay you heavily for that. So that's what gives you an edge more than the developer, those who are programming. For example, if a developer is building a website from scratch, it's going to take them like 3 months or how many months to do those stuff like that. So but no client can wait for you those for that long, and getting me. No, they can't wait for you. So they're looking for something that is quick and fast and quality. So if you can deliver these two, you can also have an edge above others developers. So these are examples of plugins. We're going to be giving you many plugins and themes for the purpose of this training. You can see the plugin that is called a plugin called Visual Composer. This plugin helps you to edit your website live, online and offline. I get it, because you can be building your website, can be editing live immediately as it's on, even online and offline. So the Revolution slider is just a slider plugin that you use to in any kind of work, it works in any kind of website. It's just a slider in front of your website, and you can see the WooCommerce. WooCommerce is the best e-commerce plugin for online store. So we're going to be introducing WooCommerce when we go into the part of online course or online store. When we're doing that, so we're going to be seeing what WooCommerce is all about, and it's a plugin, just a plugin. So if you understand how to use it, you can build any kind of website, online store, that you ever think of. You can see a contact form, learn how to create a contact form with just this plugin. You can create a contact, say you can have a page called Contact Us. You when you click on that page, you see a little form to fill your name, your email, and your subject and the message, and click send. I get him. Just a contact form. You can just click. It's just a plugin. Just download it and plug it in on your website. It start function like this. Social media handles. These are plugins. The registration form. These are plugins that we're going to be showing you to. So, for example, this is a business website, uh, a business or corporate website. We're going to be learning. You can see the cost of it. The one I showed you. So we're going to be providing some themes for the three kinds of website we're going to be using. Like this is Saifa. It's for a blogging website. So different uh, teams are used for different websites. I get me. So all you need to do is to learn how to locate a team, learn how to find a team or the kind of website you want to build. And this one is an online store. You can see the cost of it is about $59, and you can check it in Nigeria currency and know how much it costs. So we're going to be showing you how to get these plugins, these themes for free, and we're going to give them for free. I get me. You can use them for jobs, and most of my students are even calling that we want to use this one for a job. Okay, so you can use it. So you can show you how to get these things for free and start building. So because of this online for the e-commerce, we have a cart page, a checkout, a payment method, a shop, an account, a product. These are the pages you're going to be seeing in when we are building an e-commerce website. A cart is when you go to a shop, right, or a spa shopping mall. That basket you carry to go and pick your product. I get me on the shelf or whatever. You go with that cart. That's a cart. I get in that basket. You see cart. So that's where you add the product that you want to buy. On a line store, you say add to cart. So when you click on add to cart, you add the product to your cart. The checkout is proceeding to make payment. When you go to checkout, when you're going out of the mall, you go to a counter where you make payment with your cart. I get me. Now you see the payment method. We're going to be showing you how to use online payment method and offline payment method. There are many payment methods you can use. So we're going to show you how to you can implement online payment system on your website, on any website, even beyond online store or business kind of website. I'm going to show you how to implement online payment. This shop, you're going to see this is a page you have an online store for you to display your products. This account, every user you have a login and register, have account on the site. This is a product, different kind of product. So this is one of the things we're going to be showing you. And if you have any question, we're going to be putting you on the WhatsApp group. If you have any question, you can ask because of the course of this video. I get me. We put you in a WhatsApp group. For those who have gotten this package, we'll put you in a WhatsApp so that you can ask your question, maybe for more light or more understanding. You want to know how, you want to know who, you want to know when, where, and why and what. I get whatever kind of question you can ask them on the WhatsApp group. So we'll give you more light on that. So I thank you very much for watching this video. We can visit us in our offline office and Enugu at number 3 Akosute Edinburgh Road. You can just call that number if you have any question or partnership or sponsorship on any kind of thing you want. You can call that number and speak to me directly. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this video. We're going to be next video we're going to be watching. We're going to be showing you practical things on how to start a blogging website from installing the WordPress on your system and building the website and all that. Thank you very much, and God bless you.